Welcome, here I've got Hammer Iron 3 and I'm gonna show you the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's see what we've got here. And let's start by tapping on the screen like that. As you can see, this ring is appear here, so this is the focusing ring and this is the easiest way to focus here. And now let's have a look how to zoom. We can do it by using two fingers like that. And as you can see, now I can get really close to my subject and also go back. So this is how it works here. And now let's move to this settings bar here by using this buttons with names. We can easily change the modes of this camera. And as you can see, we can pick video mode, photo mode, beauty mode and portrait mode. So this is how it works here. I suggest you to just make an experiment with that and have fun. And now let's move to this settings bar here. Let's start from the left. By tapping on this button, we can easily manage the flash. We can turn on the auto flash. We can turn on the flash every time we take a picture. We can also turn it off here and turn on the fill light. As you can see, this is how it looks like here. For now I'm going to turn it off because I don't need it right now. And let's move to the next button. This is the HDR mode here. So by tapping on this we can easily, by just one tap, turn it on and turn it off. So the HDR helps to improve the details in the brightest and darkest areas of our photo, and it really helps to make our photos just more beautiful and lightful. I suggest you to keep this turned on when you can. So this is how it works here. And now let's move to this button from the right. By tapping on this, we get access to advanced camera settings, and we have different options here to manage. Let's start with routine settings at the first position here, and this is the picture size. So by tapping on this, we can pick the ratio of our picture. Also, this is connected with the picture quality, so we can pick from three ratios: 18:9, 16:9, and 4:3, and they are connected with the quality in megapixels. Of course, I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is here 8 megapixels. So let me show you 18:9 ratio with 8 megapixels, and let's go back to the camera preview. As you can see, this is the full ratio of the screen of this camera. And when I change it to the 16:9 with 8 megapixels also, we get access to a little bit shorter one here. And also we can change it to the 4:3 ratio with 8 megapixels here. So this is how it looks like. And let's go to the next one option here. This is the location info button. By using this we can turn off and turn on the camera location tags, so we can save the location of our picture. And also when we really want to save this location, the important information is that we have to be connected with the internet, for example Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device to make it work correctly. So remember about these two parameters. And let me keep this turned on and go back to the camera preview to take a picture. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. This is the quick access to the gallery. So this is our picture, and when we slide down we get access to the details about it. And as you can see here we have the location with map. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works here. And let's go back to the settings from the right. And now let's move from the routine settings to the photograph settings. At the first position we have here the camera mute. So here we can easily, by using this button, turn on and turn off the camera sounds. So this is how it works here. And now let's move to the touch shutter option. By tapping on this button we can turn on and turn off this function here. I'm going to keep this turned on to show you how it works, and let's go back to the camera preview. And touch shutter is the easiest and quickest way to take a picture. When we have this turned on, we can take a photo by just one tap anywhere at the screen. As you can see, this is how it works. So let's go back. And let's move to the self timer. When we tap on this we can change the delay of taking picture, and as you can see we can pick from 2 seconds or 10 seconds. So for now I'm going to pick 2 seconds to show you how it works. And let's go back to take a photo. And as you can see the picture was taken with 2 seconds delay, so this is how it works here. And also the next one thing I want to show you here is the grid line. So by tapping on this button we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines. So this is how it works. I'm going to keep this turned on to show you how it looks like on the camera preview. And let's go back. So as you can see, it generates as these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography and making experiments with composition. Of course, remember that this is not visible at the picture. These are only help lines to help us making better pictures. Of course, to turn it off, we go back to this button here and tap on this again. So for now, as you can see, it's gone. So this is how it works here. And let's go again here. And let's move to the volume keys here. By tapping on this button, we can change the function of volume keys. Volume keys are here, so these are the volume buttons in the standard phone use. And in the camera cooperation, we can pick volume, shoot or zoom. So for now, I'm going to pick shoot to show you how it works. And let me take a photo. And as you can see, for now, by using these buttons, we can easily take a picture. So this is how it works here. And the last thing I want to show you is that when we turn on all of these settings, we might want to go back to the auto settings, and we can do it by using this button here from the right. So when we tap on this, we can reset easily settings to their default settings. So okay. And as you can see now, all of this go back to the auto settings. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.